Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can apply LUTs into your videos in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. Now, LUTs are basically just color grading presets, which you can easily use to change the color grading of your video. So to apply a LUT, you need to go into the color section of Davinci Resolve, and as you can see in the top left, you have this menu which says LUTs. You just want to click on that, and as you can see, you have all of these LUTs at your disposal. These are just the included in Davinci Resolve LUTs, and you can just apply them by selecting the node and double clicking, and that'll apply the LUT. However, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add a different node. I'm just going to add another corrector node and make it go here first, and I'm going to not modify this. I'm going to modify the second one, apply the LUT that I want, and now this will change up. So if you want to go and color grade this first node to disable or to lower the gain, etc., etc., it won't cut off any highlights of your video which you might have when it comes to color. So it's just a better way to edit so that you don't lose data if certain LUTs just cut off the highlights or the highest frequencies of color. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.